Good morning, beauty lovers. My name is Jennifer Woolsey, and I'm a top leader with Avon. And welcome to Get Ready with Me. I'm so excited to go live with you guys today because it's launch day. This is a huge to be able to get all of the products I've been talking about. It's a huge day. You can now go live on your avon.com/jwoolsey and get those products. Are you excited? Let me get this shared in just a couple of places, and then we will hop right in. Hold on just a second. Tell me in the comments, say hello, let me know when you're here with me, and tell me in the comments what product are you most excited about that we've been talking about. We're going to do a special live this morning. I'm going to do half of my face so you guys can really see the impact that this has and make the decision for yourself if you're ready to jump in and get yourself some new products. Okay, why am I not going live? Hold on just 1 second. It's not cooperating. Oh, here we go. All right. Give me just a second. Come on. You gotta love the computer. Okay. It's not going to participate. That's okay. That's all right. Let's hop in and let's do this. So I've already gone in with my morning skincare regimen, and I'm using my Dual Elixir and my Skin Invincible Day Cream and my Depuffing Eye Serum. So I've already done all the things on the face. So we've got a blank palette, and we're ready to get down to business. So before I even started this morning, I used my Ross Water Wipes. These things are fantastic. Gonna leave your face feeling clean and brighter, and they're live today too. So let's get busy. So we're gonna do the Ink Lasting Primer, which is good to cut down on oil, and it just takes a dab, guys, just a little bitty bit. I'm gonna do the right side of my face, and I'm gonna leave the left side undone. This is crazy. Okay, here we go. So we primed that, and then also going live today is the Ink Lasting Foundation, Kush. So we better do it under eye first, right? I was so excited last night I couldn't sleep. So we're going to use Magic's Wand under the eye in the shade Marshmallow. I'm drawing a downward triangle. There we go. Let that warm up on the face just a little bit. And then we're going to hop in and get this on. I'm going to go ahead and brush those brows out, that brow out, since I'm just doing one side. So as that's kind of melting into my skin, I'm going to go ahead and pat, 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 pat. And now we're going to take the Ruby Cell Puff into the Kush and push down. Pick up a little bit of foundation. And I'm just going to deposit that on this side of the face. And then I'm going to tap, tap, tap. I'm tapping it in very gently. I may look like a scary person when I get done with only half the face. It just took that one tap of the Kush. It's crazy how great this coverage is, and it's buildable. So say, oh, Jennifer, I want a little heavier coverage. Just go back in, pick you up just a little bit more, and pat it in. Blending that Magic's. Okay. I think we're good. Okay, so this side has makeup, this side doesn't. You can already say really a big difference with that Magic's Wand and that under eye concealer. So now we're going to do our brows. I own no rights to these songs, so I hope that we don't get cut off because of the music. So I'm just going to go up And then I'm going to bring it over. Just filling in. My eyebrows are already shaped pretty well. Okay, there we go. What do you think? Okay, now we're going to go in with a little bit of translucent loose powder. Hello guys, thanks for joining us. Today we're doing launch day. So all the products are live on your avon.com/jwoolsey. So I'm showing you the difference. We're doing the right side of the face and not the left. So you're going to be able to see a total transformation in one side of my face. So now we're going with the translucent loose powder. Just going to tap a little bit onto my brush. Tap, tap, tap. And I like to use a translucent loose powder because it really blends that concealer and that foundation well together. It also gives you a matte look and it takes the oil away. Okay, looking good. Okay, next we're going to use the Kush blush. This is the shade Coral, which is also live today. And here's a cool thing. This kind of looks like a watercolor when it goes on. So it's, oh, hold on just a second. We forgot to contour. We don't want to miss anything. Let's contour. I'm using my Time to Shine palette. And I'm using the Future is Bright. I'm going to take my angled brush and just pick up a little bit of color. It doesn't take much in the two contours. Just going right underneath the cheekbone. And I'm going to do just a tad up here. Okay. You can already see how much thinner that side of the face looks, right? It just takes a little bit. If you're like, I don't know how to contour. I'm not doing that, Jennifer. It just takes a little swipe of the brush. You can even kind of bring it in a 3 if you want to do a little bit more of a contour. Okay, now we're going to go in with this Coral brush. So here's the cool thing. Now you can order on your avon.com. When you spend $50, you're going to get a really awesome skincare bundle for free. You get rice water, you get body scrub, you get 2 face creams in this little pack, which is an awesome deal. And now I've got the Ruby Cell Puff. I picked up just that little bit of color on that Kush. So tap, tap, tap. Right here on my cheek. Doesn't take but just a little bit. And it gave me just a little bit of color. So pretty. Loving the way the coral matches with whatever skin tone you have. That also comes in red and pink, which I didn't think would work with my skin tone, but it's amazing what it can do. Okay. So let's go in now and do some eyes. What are we going to use? We're going to use the Time to Shine kit, which is live also. And we're going to use the Reach for the Stars. No, we're going to use the other one. Positive Vibes Only. Look at those shades. So I'm going to pick up this lighter shade first and cover the full lid of my eye. There's another cool way that you can get a discount on all of these great products. There's never been a better time. Like, I've been with Avon for 16 years. There has never been a better time to join Avon and get a discount. You will get a 40% discount if you join Avon and order the products that you like and share them with people that you know. I'm going to pick up this, probably this lighter shade here of brown. I'm going to work my crease. So you can also do that on your avon.com/jwoolsey. You guys, I mean, for real. Who doesn't love a 40% discount on makeup, Christmas shopping? There's no greater time to join my business. And I'm going to be your personal coach and mentor. So can't get better than that. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this darker, and I'm going to blend that crease color and the eye palette color. I will tell you, I didn't tap my brush, so I have a little bit of fallout from that base color on my eyes that I used. That's okay. We can clean it up. I'll show you how to do that. You always want to be sure and tap your brushes. I'm so excited that I forgot to tap. And it just adds a little extra glow. It's okay. But tap your brushes to keep from having any kind of fallout. Now we are going to use our new Super Extend Precision Liquid Pen. So good morning. Thanks for joining us. We're doing half face. So we're doing the right side, not the left side, so you guys can see a real transformation. It is launch day with all of our new products. They are live on my website, youravon.com/jwoolsey. Okay, we did that side. Let's go under. Okay. Let's see. Now, we have a new mascara that I'm really excited about. It's called Mega Proof Mascara, and it will seriously curl your lashes. It's also super waterproof. So I'm going to use two mascaras today. I'm going to use my Love Mascara, which also has heart-shaped fibers and fills in where I have some sparse lashes. What are you thinking? Can you see the transformation? This side with makeup, this side with not. It's crazy. Okay, now our new Face Shop Mega Mascara is seriously waterproof. Like you could run a marathon, you could go swimming, you could cry through a whole Christmas movie. This mascara is not budging. So I'm going to use it to seal in that Love Mascara. Look at that curl. Crazy awesome. And then we're going to use the new Face Shop. Let's see, this is a matte. Looking for the color. About Coral. It's kind of a little bit pinkish peach. I ordered the nude, but I haven't gotten it yet. So we're going to show you this color. Doing half of your lip is kind of tricky. Sorry about that. Okay, we've got it half done. This is a complete half face. What do you guys think? Let me get a little bit closer so that you can see the full transformation. Okay. So the right side is completely done. The left side is not. I used all the new things. We also have the new whitening toothpaste. Look at this toothbrush. Covers 5 teeth. This live today on your avon.com/jwoolsey. I have another post here on Jennifer Woolsey Beauty Biz Facebook page where I'm giving some away. So be sure and go find that post and share it so that you can get some free ones. Guys, all this stuff is live. It is here. It is time to go in and make that decision. If you are interested in getting a color match, then you can drop a comment here, private message me, and I'll help you color match. This foundation, I put it on at, 6:45 this morning. It will still be on at 9 o'clock tonight because I'm using my primer, which sets it for the day, and I'm using this ink lasting foundation. Guys, it will last. So I hope you're as impressed as I am. Don't miss this launch day opportunity. It's going to be awesome. Spend $50, get free shipping, get the little kit with all the new skincare in it, and you will thank me, I promise. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Please share this video. Somebody else is going to want to see these makeup tips, and they may want to jump in too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you all have a fabulous day. Bye.